Hello. In this video, we will learn about hyperlinks in Excel.
You can easily insert hyperlinks into your workbooks to make it easy to navigate around. So for example, in this workbook, I got a index page, and this index page has links to go into the other sheets like input, PNN, and so on. So here, these links are already created. So if I want to go to the input sheet, I can click on this and I go to the input sheet. So if I want to create a new link to cash flow, I can come here, do a right click, go to link. And from here I select insert link. And then I can go to, there are different links that you can insert. You can go to existing file or web page, place in this document, that means another sheet maybe, or you can insert email addresses. So here we'll go to place in the document, and then I will select the cash flow sheet. So here by default there's a text coming in. Text to display means what will be displayed over here. So I will just change this to cash flow, like that, and then say OK. So there's a link to cash flow sheet. I can also convert a text that's already there into a link. I can do a right click, go to link, insert link. Now since I've selected some text, the text to display is already set over here. So then I can select cash flow sheet and then say OK. So also I can insert a link for a website. So let's say I want to create a link for a website over here. I can go to link, insert link, and here I will select existing file or web page. And here I need to type the address of the web page. So let's type www. So Microsoft.com was already there. So I'll just select that. And I leave this the same. I can even type as Microsoft. And say OK. So there's a link to Microsoft. From here, again go to the Microsoft website. Can also create email link. I come here. I can go to insert. And here there's an email address option. So you can put a text to display, maybe where the email is going to link to, maybe the person's name. And you can get the email address over here. So that will create a link to that email address. And once you click that, it will open your email. So once you click that, it will open your email application. So you can send emails to that person. And now if you want to remove these hyperlinks, you can just select the cell, do a right click, and go to remove hyperlink. So the hyperlink will be removed that way.
Thanks for watching.